Hi, Annette here. Welcome to my World Card Making Day project. I'm so happy and honored to take part on this event. I will create a birthday card today with a fun technique, tone-on-tone blending using some exclusive products from Scrapbook.com. I will use the dotted stencil, the word die Happy Birthday from the Celebrate set, and the shape die Heart. I am also using the new sticker book Rainbow Sherbet. My daughter had her 15th birthday on the 30th of September, and I created this card for her. It is really girly, in rainbow colors and with a little bit of sparkle. I am using the Pinkfresh Studio Premium Ink Cubes. I'm looking for bright colors, sunshine, sparkling rose, and seaside. I am cutting my card base with the Pinkfresh Studio Slim Stitch Rectangle die. Now I'm doing a really soft blend. I don't want it to be bright, that is why I'm using a soft blending brush. For me it is easier to create a light blend with these soft bristle brushes. I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm speeding up this part because it does take a little bit of time to do all of the blending. I'm using these three colors, yellow, pink and blue. And with blending them together, I create two more colors, orange and purple. I make sure I blend it in the color with the color next to it. Just take your time and go over the area where the two colors blend together with both colors, so you have a nice blend, a fourth and a fifth color. When I'm finished, I'm attaching the dotted stencil to the cardstock. I'm flipping it over and tape it down from the back. It allows me to blend all the way up to the edge of the paper, and I don't have the tape there, so it's going to be really easy to go all the way to the edge. I'm using the mint tape from Scrapbook.com. It is a paper-like low-tech masking tape. It works great holding my stencil in place, and it doesn't tear my paper at all. You can use it over and over because it stays sticky pretty long. And isn't it beautiful? I love the color. I make sure to tape down really well. And then I come in and start blending with the same colors as before, but now really saturated. This time I use my Scrapbook.com blending tool with the dome foam. It can take up a lot of ink, and if I do a little bit more pressure, it will be really saturated. I am holding down the stencil close to the area where I'm blending to make sure it doesn't shift around. I think the result is gorgeous and so fun and really girly, so I am making it even more fun with a little bit of shine and sparkle. I'm using Scrapbook.com word die Happy Birthday and the heart-shaped die. It fits perfectly on a slim cut card. I use some holographic cardstock for the heart and the pink sparkling cardstock for the sentiment and a little tack in the heart. That is a lot of bling, but that's the point. I use Scrapbook.com foam adhesive to create dimension. I cut some foam with the word die and adhere it to the words for a perfect finish. I think it is lovely, and I'm sure my daughter will love it too. Who doesn't love rainbow colors? I'm looking for lovely sentiment in the sticker book, and soon I find the perfect one. You are my favorite. I glue it down with some smart glue because this glitter cardstock is really textured for a sticker. I cut a base for my card, and off camera I added some jewels to the card, tone on tone, for even more bling. I hope you like my process and try this fun blending technique. You can find all used supplies under the video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. I love to read any of your comments or questions that you might have. Please visit my blog post for more information, and see you next time. Bye!